Hello children, good morning. Welcome to today's maths class. Children, in the previous session, we have learned the which lesson? Shapes and spatial understanding. Main concept we have to learn in this lesson. What about children? Yes, 2D shapes and 3D shapes and lines. So we have to learn so many lines, vertical line, slanting line, horizontal line and a curved line. Okay, and then 2D shapes. What is the meaning of 2D shape? Yes, 2D shapes have only length and breadth. What is the 2D shape? Name some 2D shape, children. Yes, circle, square, rectangle and then triangle. These are the 2D shapes. Yes, 2D shape. Some creatures of the 2D shapes. 2D shapes are triangle. How many sides? 3 sides. And rectangle, 4 sides. Opposite sides has a rectangle or equal. And then square. How many sides have for square? 4 sides. All 4 sides at a rectangle has, all sides have a square or equal. And then circle is a curved surface. This is a curved surface. Okay, these are the 2D shapes. Main concept. And next and then we have to learn 3D shapes. What is the 3D shapes, children? Yes, 3D shapes have length, breadth and height. Name some 2D shapes. Yes, cube, cuboid, sphere, cone and a cylinder. Yes, you already learned in the previous lesson, children. So, in this class we will learn the new lesson, numbers. Number is very important in the math subject. Yes, you already learned numbers. Okay. And how many numbers you have to learn in first standard student? Yes, you learn 1 to 500, isn't it? Yes. Continually you have to learn 500 to 1000. You have to today onwards you have to practice 1 to 1000 number, read and write properly. Okay, daily you have to practice 1 to 1000 numbers. You learn 1 to 1000 numbers easily. You have to move the mathematics sums, all sums, whatever it may be, addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Okay, yes, here first some concept is there. Some concept is there. Read and write the numbers from 0 to 99. You have to learn 1000 also. Only limited portions here. You have to learn broadly. Okay. Write the numbers in tens and units, and you will learn 100 also. Now the place value and face value of the each numerals in a given number and compare. Expand the given number and write short form of the expanded form. Write the expanded form and short form. Okay, very easy, children. This is a concept. Count the numbers in various ways. Now, concepts of the before, between and after numbers, also the smallest and biggest number. And then arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Ascending and descending order also very easy. Ascending order means small number to big number. You have to arrange the number small to big. Descending order, arrange the numbers from big to small. Okay. From the greatest and smallest 2-digit number from the given numerals. You have to identify the greatest and smallest number also. And then identify and indicate the position of a and object on a number line. Some number line also, addition and number line or subtraction on number line. And then identify the number line, some numbers. Identify the number line. Okay, these are the main concept in this lesson. First, we will move to the reading and writing of numbers from 0 to 99. You already learned 0 to 100. Okay. First you should write the numbers 1 to 100. Write the numbers. Write the numbers from 1 to 100. Yes, you also write in your notes. Okay, 1 to 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then 20. 19 after 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 50 after, what is the 50 after number, children? 51, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and then 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Yes, you already learned 100 numbers. After, yes, you should write the 101, 101, 101, 102, 102. Yes, last 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. 110 means you should write first 100 means you should write the first number 1. 110. This is easy. Okay. 120, 120. Okay. This is 120. 111. 100 means 1. This is understood. 111. You should write 11, 12, 13, 112, 113, 114, 115. This is the 114. Have to continue 200 children. Okay. Last 199 after 200. 199 after 200. This is the numbers. First you should write the numbers 1 to 500. Okay. And next write the names for the numerals. Write the names for the numerals. Numerals means numbers. Okay, write the names for the numerals. Yes, 1 to 10 very easy spelling for the number. O-N-E 1, T-W-O 2, T-H-R-E-E 3, F-O-U-R 4, F-I-V-E 5, S-I-X 6, S-E-D-E-N 7, E-I-G-H-T 8, N-I-N-E 9. 10 spelling what children? Very good. T-E-N 10. This is the numbers names. Numerals names for the 1 to 10. After 11, this is names for individual names for the numerals. 11, E-L-E-V-E-N 11, 12, T-W-E-L-V-E 12, 13, T-H-I-or-T-E-E-N 13, 14, F-O-U-R-T-E-N 14, 15, F-I-F-T-E-N 15, 16, S-I-X-T-E-E-N 16, 17, S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N 17, 18, P-I-G-H-T-E-E-N 18, 19, N-I-N-E-T-E-N 19, 20, T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. These numbers up to 120 have a individual names. In other have depend on these numerals. Yes, here first 20. 20 after 30. 30 spelling 20. Tens numbers. 20 tens numbers after 30. T-H-I-R-T-Y 30. How to write the numbers? 100. 21. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. O-N-E 1. 22. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. T-W-O 2. This is depending upon these 20 numbers. After 30. 30 also you have to learn the spelling 30. After how to write very easily 31, 32, 33 up to 39. Okay, this is the names for 30. Next 30 after 10s 40. F-O-R-T-Y 40. Yes. 40 after 50. After 10s 50. F-I-F-T-Y 50. 60. S-I-S-T-Y 60. 70. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y 70. 80. E-I-G-H-T 1. 80. 90. N-I-N-E-T-Y 90. Closed. 90. After tens 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100. This is the names for the 1 to 100 numbers. You can understand children this one? Yes. Next, write the following numbers in words. I given some numbers how to write the numbers names. Okay? Yes. You can observe children 1 to 20. After you have to write any numbers name very easy. You learn the 1 to 20 and 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 80, 90, 100 spelling. After that you write the numbers very easily. Okay? Yes. See. Next Match the following by drawing line. Match the following by drawing line. Okay. First one 78, 32, 47, 51, 83, 6th one 79. Okay. Yes, I have to match the children this way. Here, B side, we have 40 by 40. Yes, E, B, N, 7, 47. E, I, G, H, T by 80. T, H, R, E, 3. And T, H, I, R, T by 30. T, W, O, 2. Next, S, E, B, N, 70. E, I, G, H, T, 80. 78. And F, I, F, 78 and 79. S, E, B, N, T by 70. N, I, N, E, 9. 79. Next, 70, 32 also already finished. 51. F, I, F, T by 50. O, N, E, 1. 51. Have to match it, children, this one. Yes, here, first one, you read the numbers, numerals name, 78. Where it is 78 spelling? Yes, here, have to match. 32. Where, children? 32 here. And 47. 47 where? Yes, first one. 51 where? Lost. 83. 83 where? Yes, here have to match. 79 where? Yes, here. See, this is very easy for you. Okay. Next, write the following numbers in words. Write the following numbers in words. First, you should write the numbers 1 to 500. After, you have to write 1 to 1000 also. Very easy for 1000 number also. Okay? Yes. Next, write the numbers names for these numerals. These numerals. Yes. First one, 92. What is the spelling of 92, children? N-I-N-E, 9. T-E-Y, 90. 2 spelling? T-W-O, 2. 92. Next, 58. What is the spelling of 50? Yes, you already learned. F-I-F-T-Y, 50. 8 spelling? E-I-G-H-T, 8. Okay. And 34. What is the spelling of 30? Yes, T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. 4 spelling very easy. F-O-U-R, 4. 34. Okay. Next, 68. What is the spelling of 60? Yes, S I X T 68 E I G H T 8 68 and 72. What is the spelling of 70? S E B E N T Y 72 T W O 2 72. Next, sixth one, 81. What is the spelling of 80? E I G H T Y 81 O N E 1 81. Next, 31. 30 spelling you already written here. T H I R T Y 30. T H I R T Y 31 O N E 1 31. Next, 81. 63. What is the spelling of 60? 60 also already written. S I X T Y 60 T H or E 63. Next, ninth word. Yes. 46. What is the spelling of 40? F O R T Y 40 S I X 6 46. And then 70 28. 20 spelling T W E N T Y 20 E I G H T I 28. Okay, you should learn 1 to 100 names and you should learn 1 to 1000 numeration. Today onwards you have to practice 1 to 1000 number. Okay, how to learn very proper. Okay, in the next class I will teach new topic, place value and face value. You can understand children in this class. Okay, thank you children.